Hey guys, today I'm going to be going to the pool today. Oh, and make sure you got the merch, because you need it. Oh, and if you guys are watching this, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button, and subscribe. I thought I already said that. Anyways, let's get into the video. Anyways, I'm just waiting here doing nothing. But like, seriously. I'm just gonna ask them if we're gonna go to the pool already or not. Mommy, can we go to the pool already? Okay. They actually look at me because they don't even bring me to the pool. So yeah, I'm out the balcony. There's nothing I really do here. All I just do is watch the pool. Anyways, I think this is fun. We have this TV. Oh my god, this is totally a mess. I'm going to be eating something because I'm hungry. What should I need Dunkin' Donuts. What do you got in here? Oh, donuts. Oh my god. I'm not eating Dunkin' Donuts. No, not in life. Yeah, I guess there's nothing I can do. Let me see if there's anything in the fridge. I guess there's nothing I can eat in the fridge. Grapes. I need grapes. But I need to wash it. I won't do that. You guys can watch me do it. Oh my god. Now, I don't know if I should eat this. Comment down below if I should eat this. To be continued. Peace out. Bye.